What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my own French toast. Let's go!
This is the JDC Show.
Hey guys, this is our first time meeting. This is Pierce the Yoshi. What's up, mate? And I am Joseph. I'm going to walk you through on how to make French toast. Let's go. Bread. Condensed milk. Whole milk. Egg. Butter. First, we're going to mix the ingredients. We're not going to transfer the custard mixture into the cake pan. This helps the bread soak better. Soak the bread for 30 seconds on each side and then place it on a hot griddle. Cook the bread for a minute and a half on each side. Some people may prefer their French toast with syrup and fruit, but I prefer my French toast with cinnamon, sugar, and bacon. Thank you for watching. As always, leave a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Meanwhile, across town, this less than fashionable cubbyhole in the San Francisco Examiner.
If you haven't yet, check out some more of my videos.
Copy of the paper into that same Ohio computer.
Bye! Wakanda forever!
Terminals is made. The newest form of electronic journalism lights up Mr. Howard.